Good morning, students. Hello, I, Kaushal Trivedi, Assistant Professor of MVM, is delivering a first session of virtual learning. Students, I know this medium of learning is completely new for you, but don't worry. Slowly, we all will be familiarized with this style of learning. In this situation of pandemic, your physical presence is not welcomed. But as you know, where there is a will, there is a way. So, in the first session of this online pattern, yes, you are going to know your BBA subject, personality development and corporate skills. Teacher and faculty plays an important role in the student's life. We both are familiar to each other, and personality development is teaching you about the overall development of a human being. And the corporate skills. If I bifurcate this subject into two sections, then it is made up of personality development and corporate skills. So, you will be knowing about your personality development and corporate skills. That skills are elaborated deeply in this subject. Now, obviously, the question arises in your mind that what are these soft skills? English is a kind of a soft skill, or other soft skills which are not familiarized to you, but at the end of this semester you will come to know about in depth of these soft skills. English is the language, but soft skills are associated with human behavior. English is the subject. As the language, we have adopted secondary, but soft skills sometimes are inherited. Soft skills are sometimes God gifted, but by practice in our day to day life, we can change our behavior, we can change our lifestyles, and overall our personality. So, in this first introductory session, you will come to know about personality development. Along with this, I have given you the importance of the language and about the soft skills that may not be familiarized, but later at the end of the session, students, you definitely will come to know about these soft skills. Now, what are these soft skills? First, a soft skill is a personal attribute that supports situational awareness and enhances an individual's ability to get a job done. A soft skill is a personal attribute. Attribute means quality that not only support us but also gives us situational awareness. Situational awareness means you get to know about the decision. You get to know about the situational decision that should be taken by you in a right manner. And after all, you learn decision making ability and enhances an individual's ability to get a job done. Here job means not that typically job, but here job means overall your work. You will be able to achieve your goals by achieving yourself and by adopting this soft skill in your behavior. Soft skill includes any skill that can be classified as a personality trait or habit. Students, you all know that habits are contracted, habits are contagious. Definitely, whatever you do, your friend will try to imitate, and good habits are attracted by good people, and bad habits are attracted by bad people. But here it shows that we have to learn about the good habits as well. We have to develop our personality and we have to adopt such traits. Interpersonal skills and communication skills are more specific categories of soft skills that many employers look for in job candidates. Definitely, this will help you to get a good job. What these employers are expecting? After all, students, after completion of your BBA will give you a proficient job, will give you a good job. So, what they will judge from you? They will initially judge, or in fact, while appearing for the interview, they will judge this thing from you, and they are always seeking about this type of traits in their candidates. Now in the next slide, present or the given slide, you are finding list of soft skills. Some of the most sought after soft skills which are really popular, which are seeking for this kind of expectations, generally employers are demanding for. And in the list, number 1, effective communication skills. Yes, students, communication is the lifeblood of any organization. It is not only about the organization, but it is about the human behavior. Communication is related with human minds. Only humans can communicate. So, better we communicate, better we get the results. So, effective communication is always expected in successful human being. Second is teamwork. Yes, you have to learn to work as a team. You cannot work alone. Teamwork is an efficient behavior. Through teamwork, you can achieve better results. To gain proper result and to perform your task successfully, it is very important, or I should say essential, to behave as a team member. Dependability. Yes, you are dependent on many. You cannot leave yourself. You are not having existence on your own. You are dependent. Many people are dependent on you, and dependability is very important to learn. Conflict. Resolution of the conflict. Conflict એટલે સંઘર્ષ, but how to resolve, how to get resolution, how to resolve conflict from yourself, from society, and while working in any organization, you have to learn this art of resolution. Yes, students, soft skills are nothing but It is a part of your personality. Each and every soft skill is properly taught in your each chapter of the text. You will find this in your text portion. Next is flexibility. Yes, human behavior should be flexible. Some people are so flexible to adjust themselves in any situation, but some are not. Those who are flexible enough, they get success, they get fame, they become popular, but those who are not, they failed ultimately. Leadership. Leadership is something which is associated with taking initiative. Whenever you take any initiative, ultimately you get confident yourself, you become confident, and that confidence will bring you, will focus you, and they will make you popular as a leader. Problem solving. Yes, how to get solution from any problem. કોઈ પણ મુશ્કેલીમાંથી બહાર કઈ રીતે આવવું. This personality development and corporate skills are giving you such an opportunity that you make your behavior, you mold yourself in such a manner that you learn and you come out yourself, you bring out yourself from any difficult situation, and you get solution ultimately for any problem. Research. Yes, research, if you bifurcate this word research, whatever is existing on which we research, we find out something new and we try to make it with a new perspective, we try to put it with something new. Creativity. Yes, you have to be a creative person. You have to use your creativity. Students, those who are creative will become popular. Those who are static, who are similar in any situation, they will definitely get monotony by themselves, and later on they will be discarded from the society. Importance of the soft skills. Now from the beginning I am saying about the soft skills which are so really important, and this diagram is definitely showing you the importance of the soft skills. Soft skills are at the center, remaining are its usages. Through soft skills you adopt these many features in yourself, like number 1, communication skills. Number 2, it enhances your creativity. Number 3, you can produce, you can create, you can develop any kind of event, you can manage any event. Presentation skills, definitely it improves your presentation ability. Debates and seminars in which you can prove yourself confidently. Personality development. Yes, by adopting these many qualities in yourself, attributes in yourself, you are able to explore, you are able to strengthen yourself. Negotiation skills. Yes, you can prove, you can put up, you can argue, you can have a healthy discussion in any group. Quizzing skills. Yes, you feel definitely, or you learn an art of questioning. You think about the question with a different perspective and you get a better result. Now students, in this slide I have given you the front cover of your book, the textbook. This text is designed for your syllabus. This text is there in your 3rd as well as 4th semester. In your 3rd semester, the book is divided for 5 chapters, into 5 chapters, and some topics are there from the grammar as well as from the composition. But let us look at the front cover of this book. This book is entitled as English and Soft Skills. It is written by S.P. Dhanwal, and Orient Black Swan, that is the publication house. As I am telling to you, soft skills are ultimately associated with the power of communication. Ultimately, after gaining knowledge of these soft skills, you will definitely learn art of communication. Now, this art of communication persists relationship. You make your relationship stronger. You definitely gain more value. You have customer friendly approach. You can definitely make yourself successful and loyalty by attaining these good features. Why are soft skills important? Yes, we found out that these are the soft skills. We found out that these soft skills are really useful, really essential to adopt. But what is the reason that the focus is so much given on these soft skills? Students, as that you have chosen the field of management, and management students must learn this to develop themselves in any company. Soft skills play an important role in resume writing, interviewing, and finding success in communication with people at work and in other areas of your life. Yes, these skills definitely play an important role in resume writing. Resume that is a reflection of your personality. Yes, interviewing, while presenting yourself for the interview, while appearing for the interview, these skills will be exhibited by you. And finding success in communicating with other people at workplace. તમે જ્યાં કામ કરવા જશો એ જગ્યાએ definitely you can explore more and more by these skills, and in every area of life this will be definitely giving you extraordinary way to get success. During interview, it is most helpful to you to showcase your soft skills. Yes, this is the opportunity, and you have to grab this opportunity while appearing for self in the interview, and you can definitely explain yourself with the better perspective. Now, this semester 3 program is designed with which objective, or these objectives are exactly what? તમારા સિલેબસ શીખવા પાછળના હેતુઓ કયા કયા છે? એઝ યુ ઓલ નો દેટ you have studied in your first and second semester about the communication. Communication is so crucial in our life. So here the title of your syllabus is changed. It is personality development and corporate skills. So these corporate skills are attained with what reason? What are the objectives? એના હેતુઓ કયા કયા છે? Number 1, to develop students soft skills. You make familiar yourself with the soft skills. To hone students' communication, to prepare, to make them stronger in the communication and in the corporate skills which will be there with you for the future perspective. To equip means to prepare the students with skills and competence that is capability, which will assist them in their career, which will give them more proficiency in exploring their career. Now, focusing on the syllabus. Students, as I made you aware that the title of the book, I have given you the picture of the book. From that, you came to know that the text which we are going to learn for the whole, and that will be there with you. In that textbook, there are 10 chapters. Unit 1, or I should say, these 10 chapters are divided into 10 units. And in Unit 1, there are 5 chapters. Total chapters in the text are 10. You are supposed to learn these 5 chapters: teamwork skills, emotional intelligence skills, problem solving skills, interview skills, adaptability skills, written communication skills. These are the chapters that you are supposed to learn from the text part. These all the chapters are giving you detailed explanation of each skill through each story in each chapter. Then text part is over. Text part, it is made up of 30 marks, and the second section or the second part, it is made up of 40 marks. In unit 2, your syllabus is giving you an idea of 4 units. Now coming on to the second unit, share market report, that you are supposed to learn. Share market report is giving you an idea of share market, exactly a kind of a report that you will get, and on which you have to learn about the market terms, about the specifically share market terms. Statement of purpose, that will give you an idea of elaborative essay. You will be learning through statement of purpose written ability, writing skill. And in the unit 4, you are having a verbal analogy. Verbal analogy, in which there are particularly 200 words, 200 verbal analogy or literally topics are given, and you are supposed to learn from the list which is given to you from the university. I will be definitely sharing this list of verbal analogy to you, and you will be knowing, and you have to study from that given list. So I hope in this session I have made you a sense about your syllabus and about the particularly soft skills, that these soft skills are definitely making your personality stronger, and after adopting this personality you will be able to see yourself completely transformed. So I think you must have enjoyed the session, and definitely we will be meeting very soon for the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.